Good day, CM1, and welcome back to English class. I hope that everybody is doing well today and having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to be continuing with Unit 3, and we are going to be doing conversation. Okay, our theme is still, do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Good job. Okay, right. Now, before we get into it, we are going to go to our books and turn to page 17. Go to our books and turn to page 17. You will have to complete the conversation, okay? Listen to the conversation. You'll go to the online book and then fill in the answers, okay? First, you fill in the answers. Then you go online and you check that your answers are correct. Okay, let's look at some useful words. Here on the side, we have useful words. Okay, let's look at that. Italian. So when you talk about Italian food, that you are eating food from Italy, you will say Italian, okay? Italian. Mexican. Japanese. Chinese. Korean. Peruvian. Okay, now let's add the word food next to it. Italian food. I will eat Italian food. Mexican food. I will eat Mexican food. Japanese food. I will eat Japanese food. Chinese food. I will eat Chinese food. Korean food. I will eat Korean food. Peruvian food. I will eat Peruvian food. Okay, good. All right. So if you are eating something from a country, you don't say the country name. You don't say, I will eat Korea food. No, you have to say Korean, Italian, Japanese, Chinese. Okay, you don't say the country name exactly as it is. Okay, fantastic. All right. Now, I'm going to send you a link to the introduction video. Please watch the video, okay? Watch the video, and then after that, I'm going to give you questions to answer about the video, okay? Questions to answer about the video, okay? All right. So you watch the video. The video is at the restaurant. At the restaurant, okay? And once you finished, I will give you questions, okay? I hope you're ready. I'm going to start now. Question number 1. Don't worry, right? If you don't catch the questions now, you can check LMS assignment. I will send you the classwork and the questions will also be there. Okay, question number 1. What is the first question the lady on the left asked? So they enter the restaurant, they sit down. What is the first question the lady on the left asked? Okay, right. So you will write the answer and write exactly what was her question. What did she say? Number 2. So there's 2 ladies and 1 gentleman. What will the first lady eat her velio scallop with? So velio scallop is a meal, okay? And the question is, what will the first lady eat her velio scallop with? So it's the lady on the left, the first lady on the left. Okay. 3. What is the lady on the right eating her main course? What is her main course and what is the side dish? Okay, so the lady on the right, What main course is she eating? And what side dish is she eating? Okay, so you have to name. She will eat blah 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 with a side dish of blah blah blah. Okay, right. Number 4. What is chicken al-mafi? What is chicken al-mafi? Okay, so you watch the video, you listen, the waiter will give the answer and you write it down. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, 5. What will Mary have to drink? So I want you to answer all of the questions in full sentence. Don't just say, if Mary is drinking orange juice, don't just say orange juice. You must say, Mary will drink orange juice. So full sentence, all your answers must always be full sentences. Number 5, what will Mary have to drink? So Mary will have blah, blah, blah to drink, or Mary will drink blah, blah, blah. Okay, 6. What will the lady on the right drink? What will the lady on the right drink? So if Mary is the lady on the left, then the lady on the right. What will the lady on the right drink? Right hand side. Okay, when you watch the video. 7. What will the gentleman drink? What will the gentleman drink? Okay. And 8. What great food do they have at the restaurants? What great food do they have at the restaurant? So you must watch until the end of the video to find out. Okay, right. Number 9. What type of ice cream do the guests love? What type of ice cream do the guests love? So the guests are the people that came to the restaurant, the 3 friends, okay? What type of ice cream do the guests like? Okay, good job. Once you've answered that, you are finished with the questions from the introduction video. Good job. And now we move on to number 2. Okay, so number 2, you will practice the conversation again, but you have to add your own ideas to the list, okay? Add your own ideas to the list. For example, number 1, hamburger sandwiches, you add one more food, any food you like. If it's pizza, pizza. If it's bibimbap, bibimbap, whatever food. And then you have to say, if it's pizza, then where is pizza from? Remember, I gave you the useful words here, the countries, Italian, Mexican, Japanese. So pizza is Italian. So you will say pizza, number 2, Italian, and number 3, it's a question, right? About that food. Okay, so what other Italian food is there? Spaghetti. Why don't we get spaghetti? You ask a question or anything related to that food. Okay, so that is number 2. Very easy. And number 3, you don't have to do number 3 for now. You don't have to do number 3. Okay. No. You have to do number 3. Sorry, my mistake. You have to do number 3. Today we are doing number 3. Okay. And okay, you will use the same conversation but change the writing, okay? So let's have an example. Okay, so here in the book they have an example. A says, let's have Italian food. Do you want to go to Luigi's Pizza? So Luigi's Pizza is an Italian place where they eat Italian food. And person B says, I don't like pizza. And then person A says, okay, let's try something different. How about Tomo Sushi? So now sushi, we know is Japanese food. He changed it. Okay, so let's see the example that I can give you for that. Okay, so a person can say, what can you say? Okay. Right. Let's have delicious ice cream. Do you want to go to Baskin Robbins? So you use places around your neighborhood. I don't like ice cream, person B. And then person A can say, how about Krispy Kreme? Or how about Starbucks? And that's finished, okay? So just change the underlined words in number 3 and put your own suggestions from places around your neighborhood, okay? So that was my example, okay? So you can use Baskin Robbins, Krispy Kreme, any place, KFC, McDonald's, any place around your neighborhood and change the conversation, okay? So that's number 3. You have to do number 3, okay? Right, awesome. And that is on page 17. Good job, everyone. Okay, now we're going to go to our workbooks finally and turn to page 12. Let's go to our workbooks and turn to page 12. Page 12 is language practice. And we are going to be doing number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. You have to match the questions with the answers for number 1. And for number 2, complete the questions and short answers and use the correct form of do and personal pronouns. Okay, right. So you will be doing number 1 and number 2. That's it. Okay, everyone. Good job. You did a good job today. I will send you the links for the video that you need to watch, the introduction video about the restaurant. And I will also send you your homework and your classwork on assignments under LMS. Okay, all right, everyone. Good job and see you on lesson 13. Goodbye.